Hi guys, this is Hardik Gupta from Green Banao. We are here with our next tutorial video of IGBC Green Project series. We have posted our videos on registration of IGBC project, three sections like site selection and planning, water efficiency and energy conservation of IGBC Green Home projects. Now we'll go ahead with next section, material and resources. Building material consumes a significant amount of energy right from the process of extraction of raw materials to transportation to the construction site. The material and resources section encourage segregation of waste at the household level and diversion of construction from landfills at the site level while improving the building environmental through responsible waste management and material selection. Here in this section available points are 18. Section include 1 mandatory requirement and 6 optional credits. First is separation of household waste. Mandatory requirement of this section is to segregate the household waste at the source as to prevent such waste being sent to landfills. Diverting waste from landfills can help to minimize the land, water and air pollution. To meet the mandatory requirement of this section, project team need to provide separate bins to collect dry waste like paper, plastic, metal, glass, etc. and wet waste like organic waste at each dwelling unit and common areas in the building. Additionally, a common segregation point with separate bins need to be provided by the project team. By all these criteria, mandatory requirement can be fulfilled. Next is organic waste management post occupancy. This is the first optional credit of this section. To meet the credit requirement, project team needs to install organic waste converter to treat at least 50% organic waste generated from the building. Organic waste include food waste, kitchen waste, garden waste, etc. Required capacity of the organic waste treatment system can be calculated from the credit calculation table. Project can be obtained 4 points under this section while the OWC can cater 95% of the organic waste of the project building. We will have OWC to cater more than 95% of the organic waste. Hence we have taken 4 points under this credit. Second credit is handling of construction waste materials. Construction and demolition works generate huge quantities of waste. This credit is to encourage practice to manage construction waste, thereby avoiding waste being sent to landfills. To comply with this credit requirement, project team should minimize the waste being sent to landfills. Avoid minimum 50% of the waste generated during construction from being sent to landfills to achieve 2 points. To get 4 points under this credit, project should reach at 95%. Our project team will avoid more than 95% of the construction waste. Hence we have taken 4 points under this credit. Next credit is reuse of salvage materials. This credit encourages to use salvage building materials and products to reduce the demand for virgin materials, thereby minimizing the impact associated with extraction and processing virgin materials. At least 1% of the salvage materials need to use to get 2 points and 2% to get 4 points under this credit. Our project is not complying under this credit, hence we haven't taken any points in achievable. Next credit is materials with recycled content. Every company is now moving towards sustainability. The intent of this credit is to encourage the use of material which contains recycled content to reduce environmental impact associated with the use of virgin materials. Recycled materials are building products that include raw materials that have recycled content. There are two types of recycled content in any product. First is pre-consumer and second is post-consumer. Pre-consumer recycling content is which are directly get from industry after processing, and post-consumer recycled content is comes from the consumer. Total percentage of materials with recycled content by cost over total building material cost is 10% to obtain 1 point and 20% to get 2 points under this credit. Our project is having materials with more than 20% recycled content, hence we have taken 2 points under this credit. Next credit is local materials. Building materials like cement, steel, tiles, aggregate, bricks, etc. should be manufactured within 400 km from the building entrance. Locally manufactured material minimizing the associated environmental impact resulting from transportation. Total cost of material manufactured locally should be 25% or 50% of the total material cost to obtain 1 or 2 points respectively. In our project, result comes more than 50%. Hence we have taken 2 points under this credit. Next is rapidly renewable building materials and certified wood. Intent of this credit is to minimize the use of virgin wood and maximize the use of materials which are rapidly renewable. Project team can use rapidly renewable materials or certified wood by FSC, Forest Stewardship Council, or program for the endorsement of forest certification or a local program. Percentage of rapidly renewable material or certified wood by cost over the total wood material cost is 50% and 70% is 50% and 75% to obtain 2 and 4 points respectively. Our project will have 100% use of FSC certified wood, hence we have taken 4 points under this credit. Here we are presenting overall feasibility for material section. We are getting 14 points in achievable and 4 points which we haven't targeted. We'll discuss more about other sections in the next videos. Thanks to watch this video. If you have any query, then post it below. Join with Green Banao. Go green. Thanks.